Figure 3 shows a sketch of a parallelogram PQRS. We're given that PQ is 2i plus 3j minus 4k, or in column vectors, that would be 2, 3, negative 4, and that QR is 5i minus 2k. In column vectors, that would be 5, 0, negative 2. The first thing we want to do in part A is show the parallelogram is actually a rhombus, and that means the sides would be the same length. So, the modulus of 2, 3, negative 4 is the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. And that is the square root of 29. The modulus of 5, 0, negative 2 is the square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared, which is also root 29. And that does it because we've shown that PQ and QR are the same. Perhaps we want to just indicate here that we're doing mod PQ and mod QR. Now in part B, we want to find the exact area of the rhombus PQRS. Now, since we know that this is a rhombus, and a rhombus is a type of kite, we can use the formula 1/2 xy, where x and y are the lengths of the diagonals. So if we think about PR, to go from P to R, we're going to do PQ plus QR. And that is going to be 2, 3, negative 4 plus 5, 0, negative 2, which is 7, 3, negative 6. Then if we do QS, the other diagonal, to go from Q to S, we're going to go from Q to P, and then we'll go from P to S. Now Q to P is backwards along PQ, so that is going to be negative 2, negative 3, 4, and PS is the same as QR, so that's 5, 0, negative 2. And so we get 3, negative 3, 2. So the length of the diagonal PR is going to be the square root of 7 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared. And so we'll just work that out on the calculator. So that is going to be 49, add 9, add 36, root 94. And then mod QS is going to be the square root of 3 squared plus 3 squared plus 2 squared, which is root 22. So the area is going to be 1/2 times root 94 times root 22, which is 1/2 times the square root of 2068. Now I know there's a factor of 4 in 2068 because 94 and 22 are both even. And so we can split that into root 4, root 517. And then the root 4 will cancel with this half. And so we'll end up with the square root of 517 square units.